children, in this lecture I am going to teach you what happens when hydrogen react with certain metals and metallic oxides. So first, the reaction of hydrogen with metals. Sodium, potassium, calcium. These metals, when react with hydrogen, they form the hydrides, metallic hydrides. So these are very reactive metals like potassium. When react with hydrogen, it forms potassium hydride 2KH. Similarly, sodium, when react with hydrogen, it forms sodium hydride formula 2NaOH. Potassium hydride formula 2K form. Potassium hydride formula KOH. Next is calcium. When calcium reacts with hydrogen, it forms the compound calcium hydride CaH2. As calcium has the valency 2, that's why molecular formula will become CaH2. Sodium has the valency 1, that's why molecular formula of sodium hydride and potassium hydride is KH and NaH. Next is action with metallic oxide. Metallic oxide like copper oxide, zinc oxide, lead oxide, iron oxide. When they react with hydrogen, hydrogen reduces these metallic oxide into metals. So the next topic is action of with metallic oxide. Copper oxide, when react with hydrogen, it will change into copper metal plus water molecule. Means oxygen is removed from the metallic oxide and metallic oxide converted into metals. Similarly, zinc oxide, when react with hydrogen, it forms zinc metal plus water. This property of hydrogen to change the metallic oxide into metals or to reduce the metallic oxide into the metals is known as reducing property. Reducing properties of hydrogen. Next is given test for hydrogen. As we have studied first reaction when hydrogen reacts with oxygen. It burns with pale blue flame and produce pop sound. So the gas which burn with pale blue flame and produce pop sound is hydrogen gas. Next topic is given oxidation and reduction. Student, your next topic is oxidation and reduction. What is the meaning of oxidation? Oxidation means addition of oxygen. So the chemical reaction in which the element added with oxygen is known as oxidation process. As in the given equation, hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form the water. Here in the hydrogen, oxygen is added. So addition of oxygen is known as oxidation. Next process is called the reduction. What is reduction? Removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen is known as reduction. So addition of hydrogen, is reduction, or we can say removal of oxygen is also known as oxidation. So reduction. What is oxidation? Addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen is called the oxidation, and also removal of hydrogen is known as oxidation. So what do you mean by oxidation? Oxidation is the addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen is known as oxidation. What do you mean by reduction? The process of addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen is known as reduction. So in the given equation you can see hydrogen when added with the oxygen, addition of oxygen is known as oxidation. Oxygen is added with hydrogen. In the oxygen, when hydrogen is added and form the water molecule, it is known as reduction. Similarly, in the second equation, you can see zinc oxide change into zinc metal. Here, removal of oxygen means it is reduction. Hydrogen take the oxygen means addition of oxygen with hydrogen. So it is called the oxidation. So you can see that in the similar reaction both oxidation and reduction takes place. Oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in the same reaction. So altogether, this type of reaction is known as redox reaction. Redox reaction means the reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously are known as redox reaction. Now, what are the reducing agent and oxidizing agent? The substance which undergo oxidation is known as reducing agent, or the substance which gives the hydrogen or remove the oxygen is known as reducing agent. As H2 is a substance which gives the hydrogen. So it is known as reducing agent. Oxygen gives the oxygen. So it is the oxidizing agent. Zinc oxide provide the oxygen during the reaction. So it is oxidizing agent which gives the oxygen, that is oxidizing agent. Hydrogen gain the oxygen, it is reducing agent. So this is the oxidation, reduction, reducing agent and oxidizing agent. So this is all for oxidation and reduction reactions.